When you're in soul, you see your innocence and your power. When you're in ego, you're feeling a lack of resource, you don't see any power within you. This is all about really owning your superpower. And this is your first, one of your initial points of resistance, because when you're in ego, you just think about you. So then when you think about you, you see in everywhere else you look. And then you say, f it all, I'm just gonna isolate myself, until you have somebody go, I see that, but I see through that. Because there's a soul under there and there's an innocence under there. But it takes somebody who can take that and look through and say, let's just keep going, because that's how you get through it. Keep moving forward through it.